Welcome back to Becky Cooks. So today we are going to make a simple and quick breakfast, healthy bowl of breakfast. So that's the oat variant we are going to be using. It's already mixed with a little bit of cinnamon powder and brown sugar, and this is rolled oats. So I'm going to be cooking 1 cup of the rolled oats that already contains cinnamon powder and a little bit of brown sugar. Within 5 minutes you are done. It's so fast and easy, and the only thing you need to add is just your milk and any topping of your choice. So we are going to be using apples here, and into the water I added in salt. This salt is going to prevent it from turning brown after cutting it. So immediately you cut and remove the core of the apples, you are going to drop them into your water, your salt water. So this way it won't turn brown until at least for 8 hours. It will still retain its color, because I tried it out and I discovered that it was in the evening of that day that it started turning brown, which is still okay. So give this a try and you won't have any issues with it. And the salt is not even going to infuse into the apples at all. Just let them sit for 5 minutes and you are good to go. So I'm using a little bit of bananas. And within 1 minute our oat is ready. So you want to dice your apples into tiny bits also. So if you are seeing my video for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always watching and sharing. So it's time to couple everything together. We have our oats here. This is very filling and satisfying. It will keep you full almost the whole day until maybe late in the afternoon before you feel like eating something else. So this is a perfect, full, complete breakfast. So easy to make and healthy also. So you can add any topping of your choice. If you prefer nuts and if you prefer fruits, anyone is fine. You can eat it like this, and you can also add a little bit of milk. So I added in a little bit of milk, and it took this to another level entirely. So if you are not strictly on a diet, you can add in a little bit of milk. And if you're on a diet, you can add healthy milk options like coconut milk, almond milk, cashew milk, and all the rest, plant-based milk. So if you are just trying to maintain a healthy diet, this is fine. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.